Have you built a perfect Excel sheet, shared it with your colleague, and they accidentally deleted few things, deleted few nice formulas which you have built? I will show you how to bulletproof your data using protect sheet feature. Now, what is a protect sheet? Protect sheet is a lock that you can put to your sheet or the cells in your sheet. Where can you find that option? Two places. One, go to format here in the home tab, and here you can find protect sheet. Second place is right click on any sheet here, whichever one you want to protect. You'll find protect sheet here. How to protect the sheet? Simple. Go to protect, give protect sheet. We'll talk about this later. Click OK. Now the sheet is protected. By default, you can type anything. Now you cannot type anything anywhere in any cell. That is as simple as that. But anyone go to this particular format and say unprotect sheet, and they can modify it again. Now for that thing, Microsoft has given us a password feature. Go to format, go to protect sheet. Here give the password. I'll give 1, 2, 3, 4. Click OK. Again I'll give 1, 2, 3, 4. Click OK. Now you cannot type anything as it is protected. If you go here and unprotect it, it will ask for the password. Only if you know the password, you will be able to unprotect it, and you will be able to type something, or you will be able to modify this particular sheet. Now there are other features also under that. What are these features? Let's try to understand. Password we already spoke about. Now these things. Once you are protected, once your sheet is protected, if you want the user to do all these modifications, you can check that. What I mean is, once you protect the sheet, if the user is able to, if you check this, the user will be able to format the cells. If you check this, the user will be able to insert the rows. Otherwise, they will not be able to insert the rows. If you check this, they will be able to sort the data on the sheet which you protected. Otherwise, they will not be able to. Right? So those are these options which you can play around with. Now, just to understand, right? I'll give OK here. I'll try to delete a column. Right click, delete. Delete is disabled here. Now I'll go here, unprotect the sheet, and I'll protect the sheet once again, and I'll say delete columns and click OK. Now I'll not be able to type anything, but I'll be able to delete a column. The delete is enabled here. If you see, if I click, the column gets deleted. I'll unprotect once again. Now the next thing comes into picture. The part 2 of this particular one. How to protect a part of your spreadsheet. Now let's think that this is a template that you float around, and you want the users of this particular template to only update in these cells. Other cells they should not be able to modify. Now by default I'll be able to modify this as well, any cell. So they should be able to modify only these cells, because they should be able to fill these cells and send the template back to you. Now what we have to do is this. We have to select the cells which you want the users to modify. Now how I selected this, I pressed Ctrl and selected one by one in the mouse. So I can select like this. Then you go to format, and there is a lock cell feature here. Now what is this particular lock cell feature? By default, each and every cell in a sheet is locked. What do I mean by that? you have a door for your house and there is a lock for that particular door. So each and every door has a lock. But when does the lock comes into picture, or when does the lock gets enabled? Only when you lock it with the key. Similarly, each and every cell in the spreadsheet is locked. When the lock comes into picture, only when you go and protect sheet, that lock comes into play. Now if I protect sheet, I'll not be able to do anything here, right? So now it is locked. Now in order to unprotect, or in order to protect only a partial sheet, what we have to do is first remove the lock from these cells. If you go to format, there is a square around this particular lock. That means they are locked by default. Remove that lock from these cells. Click on this. Lock is removed. Now, how do you know? Go to format once again. That square is not there around this particular lock. But other cells have that particular square around that particular lock. Now, let me go to format and protect sheet once again. Click OK. Now, let me try to modify this cell where there is school name written. Not possible. But I have removed the lock from these cells, right? I will be able to modify those cells. Right? That is a protect sheet feature. So if you have any questions, please drop a comment below. And to appreciate me, please try to subscribe to this particular channel.